If you have been putting off scanning your old photos to digital because of the cost or time, the photo box may be your answer. It costs nothing to build and speeds up the process considerably. It is so easy even a 10-year-old can do it. I recommend your children become involved. Think how happy it would make the parents or grandparents, and how much they would learn about the family history in the process. Most of the material you should be able to find close at hand. A cardboard box, some extra cardboard, utility knife, tape measure, glue, copy paper both white and dark, cell phone, flashlight, packing tape, and access to Google Play Store or the iPhone Store. Find a suitable box. The sides of the box will be used for the lens and photo. Most of the old photos are 6 by 4 inches. So the distance from the lens to the photo should range between 7 to 12 inches. To scan larger items, increase the distance between the lens and photo. Open the box and lay it flat. Find the middle of the first side and cut a hole for the cell phone lens. Move to the next side of the box and cut a hole for the photo tray. Be sure to cut the adjoining flaps so they do not cover the hole. Cut a hole for the flashlight. Cover the inside of the box with white copy paper. Cover the bottom of the box with a dark paper. Turn the box over. Build a support for the cell phone and flashlight. Cut a piece of cardboard the width of your photo tray hole, and the depth of the inside of the box pulse 1 inch. For the tray handle, cut 4 pieces of cardboard 1 inch wide, and the width of the tray. Glue the 4 pieces to the end of the tray. Cover the handle with tape. Next, cut a piece of cardboard the same size as the tray. Cut a hole in the middle the size of your photos. Glue them together and cover it with dark paper. Put the box back together. Insert the cell phone and flashlight into their supports. I will be using the QuizCase scanning app. When you open it up, you will see this menu. Press the scan option. Now slide your photo into the box and align it correctly. When you are satisfied with the alignment, press the white button. This takes the picture. Now press the OK. This button gives you the opportunity to crop the photo the way you choose. Next, press the check mark on the bottom right corner. This is how the scanned photo will look once you save it. If you are satisfied, press the check mark to save it as a file in the scanning softwares folder. Press the top left button to return to the first menu. That's it. Repeat until all your photos are transferred.